So díobh gach duine táimid a caint inniu Marielle nahana nuas, new phrases that we learn from this particular story, okay? So one of the things that happened in the story was Cor an muntar fis na Gardaí. So nuair a bhí an áit flochbáite, when nuair a bhí an siomarang a flochbáite, Cor an muntar fis na Gardaí. So he rang the guards, okay? So to ring, Cor fis right? So let's have a look here. We have a few choices on D. We've Saidori, Gardaí, Brigade Dóiton, Tishmahori, agus Oharcar. Now all of those have been in the story except Oharcar, and Oharcar is an ambulance, okay? So Saidori is soldiers, Gardaí guards, Brigade Dóiton is the fire brigade, Tishmahori is parents, and Oharcar is ambulance. Very good. So let me look at it now. So Cor an muntar fis on. So you decide what that is. Cor an privide fis on. Nadini seo. Cor an muntar fis on. Now there's a T there because you can't put two vowels together. So ohar on oharcar, on toharcar. Okay? Cor an privide fis on. Na. There's a few of them. What are they? Agus Cor an muntar fis na. Right, Gardaí. So that's not too hard. All right, let's look at the other one. The other sentence that we had was ná déan darmid an sca farna. So don't forget the umbrella. Right, so let's look at the words we have in our vocabulary here now. An sporán, which is a purse. An obervalja, which is our homework. An mála scoile, our our school bag. Na broga raha, which is our runners. Na hovacha, na ovawan, na hovacha, the eggs. Agus phone poca, which is our mobile phone. Okay, so tá sé sin éasca ná déan darmid What is that? Áil sé sporán, broga ratha, obervalja, na hovacha, an mála scoile, nó phone poca. Ná déan darmid seo iad na rudaí. Okay, what is the thing that they're not to forget? Ná déan darmid what is it? You know it? Phone poca. Ná déan darmid what are these? They're eggs. Ná déan darmid oh, I wonder what that is. She's talking about doing her homework, I'd say. Agus ná déan darmid cad é seo, guys. Mála scoile. I think that's the mála scoile. Oh, I'm sorry. This is your mála scoile and this is your purse, okay? Right, so they are the little things you have to do there. So there's just 6 sentences there. Put the right thing in the right place. And this one, Irihan le lan she ag carbáistí. So Irihan le lan she ag carbáistí. So during the day, it continued to rain. All right, it continued to rain during the day. All right, so that was the other phrase that we came across in our nice story about the storm. Okay, so Irihan le during the day, it continued to rain. So in this one, we're looking at Efferson. In Rihanle lan na páistí, the children continued to what? Let's have a look at the picture. What are they doing? So let's look. There's a few choices. Ag scríb san ifig, ag immer pella sa fork, ag sugra sa close, no ag rávíocht an luck. So rávíocht is rowing on the lake. So let's have a look what they're doing. I think they're playing in the yard, aren't they? I'd imagine that's what they are doing. They're playing in the yard. Okay, so you pick the right one there. Irihan le lan on Rooney. So the secretary continued to, what did she continue to do? She needed to work in the office, wasn't it? Irihan le lan on Pelador. Egimert. What is he doing? He's playing football. And the last one. During the day, what did the Saidori do? What did the soldier do? He continued to row on the lake. Okay, so that's your work for today. Just write your sentences into your copy. Lanaroig August can I relive? Okay, slán.